Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your income tax return for the first time. First, you need to figure out if you even need to file based on your income. Then, gather all your important documents like W-2s from employers and any Form 1099s for other income. Finally, choose how you want to file, whether it's using tax software, hiring a professional, or filling out paper forms yourself. This initial preparation is key for a smooth process. Next, it's crucial to understand your income. This includes wages, interest, and other earnings. After that, look into deductions. These can reduce your taxable income, potentially saving you money. Common examples include student loan interest or contributions to an IRA. Don't forget about tax credits, which are even better as they directly reduce your tax bill, dollar for dollar. Now it's time to actually complete your return. Make sure you're using the correct forms, like a Form 1040, based on your specific situation. Double-check every number and piece of information for accuracy. Even small errors can cause delays. Once everything looks perfect, submit your return. Most people file electronically, but mailing a paper copy is also an option. Just be sure to meet the filing deadline. After you've filed, remember to keep copies of your return and all supporting documents for at least 3 years. This is important for your records and in case of any questions. If you're expecting a refund, you can usually track its status online. If you owe taxes, make sure your payment is sent by the deadline. Also, check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.